Hey everyone, Niall Doherty here from $50blogs.net. Today I'm going to show you a few useful things you can do with one of my favorite WordPress plugins, that being the Redirection plugin. This here is the plugin page on WordPress.org, and at its core this is a very simple plugin that lets you easily create redirects for your WordPress site. Now I'm going to use $50blogs.net to show you some of the ways you can use this plugin. And I already have it installed, so let's log into the dashboard here. But this actually allows me to show you the first little trick you can do with the Redirection plugin. Usually to log into a WordPress site you need to navigate to /wp-login.php, right? Well, for this site I've created a simple redirect that lets me just type in /login after the URL. And that lands me on the login page. Just like that, simple. So let me log in here now. And then once that loads up, I'm going to navigate to Tools down here and Redirection. So we can see a few of the redirections I have already set up for this site. Okay. So you see them listed here. We'll go through a bit of this interface in a minute. First though, the second way that you can use this plugin is for affiliate links. And you can see a few that I'm doing here. So if I expand this redirect for Woo themes, you can see that the target URL is an affiliate link for Woo themes. So anytime someone clicks on that link /recommend/Woo themes and buys something from Woo themes, then I get a commission. So that's just basic affiliate marketing, and most online retailers offer affiliate programs that you can sign up for. But usually the affiliate links that they give you are kind of clunky. They look like this with all these different variables and URL and everything. So what I do is use the Redirection plugin to make a nice tidy affiliate link like that one right there. I usually use /recommends, but you can put go to or whatever you want there. And now you can see how I use this over here on the $50 blogs order page. So if I hover over this link here for Woo themes, you see down the bottom left there it comes up /recommends/Woo themes. But when I click on it, we're redirected to the woothemes.com homepage. So it's just as simple as that. Now if anybody was to click on that link and to buy something here from Woo themes, I would get that commission. So just a nice tidy way to use affiliate links rather than the default ones that you're usually given. And the other nice thing, if I go back here, the other nice thing about using the Redirection plugin for affiliate links is that we can see easily just how many times people have clicked on our affiliate links, because it gives us hits over here. So in my case for Woo themes, you can see it's almost 500 times that people have clicked on that link. And if you really wanted to get fancy, you could create 2 redirects pointing at the same affiliate link and place them in different spots on your website and then test to see which one gets the most clicks. Okay, moving on. I'm going to create a redirect here to show you another use of the plugin. First though, let me show you this post that I published a few months back showing you how to back up WordPress. Here it is right here. Now take a look at the URL there at the top. It helps to have your keywords in the URL so that the post has a better chance of ranking higher in search engines. So in this case I want my post to rank high for the term backup WordPress, so I have those words there in the URL. But the downside of this is that if I'm chatting with someone face to face and telling them about this post, they're unlikely to remember that URL. It'd be much easier if I could tell them to just check out, say, $50blogs.net/backup, because that's easier to say, easier to remember. So the Redirection plugin, if I just copy this because we're going to use it in a moment, the Redirection plugin lets us create little shortcut URLs like that while still keeping the original URL search engine friendly. So where am I? There we go. In the case of that post we just looked at, I could type in here that the source URL is /backup and the target then is what we just had, /backup-wordpress/, and then I can just click add redirection. Now that's a pretty simple example. The longer the URLs that you have on your site, the better this tip will work for you. But you'll see now if I click on this, whoops, actually that won't work because it just expands. But if I go back here and just type in /backup. Should redirect back to the same post, so just a much easier URL for people to remember. There you go. Okay, where are we? Yeah, let's move on to another use for the redirection plugin, and that is fixing broken links. Say, for example, you move a page or post to a different URL, and you would rather not go through and update all your old links to that page or post because that could take forever. And additionally, you might have external links to that post or page from other websites, and it would be a headache to go ask a bunch of other site owners to update broken links to your site. So instead of doing all that, you could just create one simple redirect here, pointing traffic from the old URL to the new URL. So it's very simple and very effective. And one final use then I'll share with you for the redirection plugin is a random post link. This is just something I discovered today actually. You can see that I've already created it up here. All you need to do to create the same is to put /random as your target. So you'd have /random right here. And then your action here is going to be redirect to a random post, just like that. And then you click the add redirection button. Then you could just add, or you could just post that /random link anywhere on your blog for people to click whenever they like. And here's what happens if you use that link on $50 blogs. Let's see if we go here and just type in random. You'll see that we get a nice random post that I published before, how to change a WordPress homepage. So of course there are also many other things you can do with the redirection plugin, but those few should get you off to a good start. Once again, my name is Niall Doherty for $50blogs.net. You can check back next week for another helpful WordPress related tutorial / screencast dealio, and you can subscribe in the sidebar here at $50blogs.net/blog, and you'll get a heads up on any special offers related to $50 blogs, plus advance notice of live support sessions where you can get all your blogging related problems solved and questions answered absolutely free.